Hey everybody, it's me Joe and I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of common expressions. These are common daily expressions that people use every day. So some of them you might know, some of them might be new for you. I'm going to give them to you and tell you how you use them. All right? Also, if this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. My name is Joe. I teach English to foreign students at a university in Canada. And I think you should subscribe to my channel, if you want me to help you learn English. Okay? All right. So I'm going to explain to you many common expressions that can be used in everyday English. Let's go through them, stick around to the end, and there's going to be a bonus one at the end that's a little funny. All right? So here we go. Here's number one. It's, what brings you here? When somebody asks you what brings you here, it means maybe you're in a new place and they're asking, hey, why did you come here? So if you're studying English in their country and they say, hey, what brings you here? What brings you to Canada? You'd say, well, I'm here to study English, or I'm here improving my English, or maybe I'm just on vacation, something like that. So that's the first one. What brings you here? All right. Number two is, what's this? Or what's this called? Or what's this called in English? So this is something you can use. When you see something that maybe you know the name of it in your own language, but you don't know the English word, you can say, hey, what's this? Or what's this called? All right? Or what's that called if it's far away? And that's a great common expression to ask people to explain the English word to you. All right? That can be very helpful. All right, number three, this is a common one, but it has maybe two meanings. Where do you live? All right. Now, this can mean, if you're talking about, if you're in the city, it means where do you live in the city? What street are you on, or what neighborhood do you come from? But it could also mean, where do you come from originally? Like, where do you live? I know I see you here in Canada, but where do you live? Somebody might mean, where do you come from? Usually it means, what part of the city do you live in? All right, where do you live? Number four is, how long have you been studying English? All right, if you tell somebody that you're here to study English, or you're learning English, or they just are interested in how good your English is, they may ask you, how long have you been studying English? All right. So you can say, oh, 6 months or a year or my whole life. Whatever it is, you can just give them the answer that way. Number five is, how long have you been here? Or they might say, how long have you been in? And then they say the name of the city or name of the country. So how long have you been in Canada? How long have you been in Toronto? All right. So then you can just tell the amount of days, weeks, or months, however long. I've been here 6 weeks. Or you can just say, about 6 weeks, something like that, okay? Number six is a very useful one for you to say to other people. And you can say this, it's totally okay. You can say, what did you say? All right, other ways could be, pardon, or what was that? But if you say, what did you say? And some students are shy about this. They don't like people knowing that they didn't hear them. But when you say, what did you say, it doesn't mean anything bad. It means you care and you want to know what somebody said. All right? Okay, so don't worry about saying it. You're totally fine to say it. Right? Native speakers say it because, if you're on the street and it's noisy, or I'm listening to somebody else and you said something, we don't catch it. So it's fine to say that. What did you say? All right. All right. Number seven, this is a question people might ask you if you go somewhere or if you do something. So for example, if you went to a movie, people can say, How was the movie? All right. If you went on vacation, they might say, how was your vacation? So how was, and then some event. How was the concert? How was your job interview? Something like that. Could be anything like that. So how was it? All right. Question number 8. This is a common way to invite people to come with you somewhere. Would you like to, all right, would you like to have lunch with me? Would you like to go to a movie? Would you like to go for a walk? So a very polite and common way to invite people. Would you like to? All right. And then they're going to answer either, sure, I'd love it, or no, I can't. Or they might say another way, maybe make another time. I can't have lunch today, but how about tomorrow? All right. Number 9, this is a common phrase that you can say if somebody has to say no to you, or they have to say they can't do something for you. So they can't go to lunch for you, or they don't have enough time to help you right now. You can say, no problem. No problem. All right. It's a very polite way to say you're not bothered and it's totally okay. No problem. Number 10, this is something you can say if somebody tells you some surprising information. All right. Like they went on a date with a really beautiful girl that you didn't think it was going to happen, or you saw a movie star downtown. If they tell you something really surprising, you can say, whoa, really? All right. So that shows that you're surprised and also you're excited for their news. Number 11, this is a common expression we say when we want good luck to continue. All right. Something's going well and you want it to continue, or something important is going to happen and you want it to turn out really well. So it could be like a sports team is trying to win another game. They're playing well and you want them to win again. Or maybe you got an exam tomorrow and you want it to go well for you or for somebody else. You say, fingers crossed. All right. Or my fingers are crossed. Okay. Doing that, crossing your fingers is good luck in North America. I don't know if it is in your country, but we say it's good luck here and we want the good luck to continue. All right. Number 12, this is used if somebody invites you somewhere. So it could be to a lunch or dinner or a movie or concert, something, a party, but you are unable to go. You are busy or you have something else planned and you can't go. This is a polite way to say no. It is, I'd love to, but, and then you give a reason. All right. I'd love to, but I'm already meeting another friend for lunch. I'd love to, but I promised a friend I'd help him study. Something like that. All right. It's a very polite way to say no and give the reason in a polite way. Okay. I'd love to, but something. Okay. Question number 13, or expression number 13 that's really common is, where do you work? Where do you work? All right. And people can answer this. They can give the company name. I work at Google. I work at the supermarket. Or they can say the company name. Say, I work at Johnson Insurance. All right. They can either say the kind of place they work, or the name of the place they work, or kind of the type. I work at a hospital. I work at a school. Okay. So they can give you different information like that. All right. All right. Number 14, a lot of people might be a little shy about this one, but it is a common expression and it's super necessary sometimes, is where's the restroom or where's the bathroom? Okay. So if you need to use the bathroom, but you are in a new building, you don't know where it is, you can ask someone, hey, where's the bathroom? Excuse me, where's the bathroom? All right. All right. And here's number 15. And this is the last one. And it's a little bit funny. So you want to say this to friends. So imagine if a friend drops they're carrying something and they drop it. Or maybe they're walking and they stumble a little bit. So you can say, Oh, first day with the new So if they drop something with their hands, you say, oh, first day with the new hands. If they stumble, you say, oh, first day with the new feet. So it's just a funny kind of a joke, a little teasing joke that you can play with friends. And it's common daily English between friends. All right? So those are 15 common expressions and questions that you can use or you will hear when you're in an English environment. Okay? If you can think of any other common English expressions, write them down in the comments below. Or if you have any questions, just ask. Finally, make sure to check under the video in the notes because that's where I put lots of links. I like to keep you guys learning and giving you more learning opportunities. All right? All right, that's it. So until next time, bye-bye.